I'm going to read this part of homework that I do. There is a pencil on the desk. There is only one store in this town. There is a black cat on the roof of that house. There are 4 people watching the movie. There are 6 trees in this garden. There are only 2 houses available ready to sell near here. The same thing in past. There was a pencil on the desk. There was only one store in the town. There was a black cat on the roof of that house. There were 4 people watching the movie. There were 6 trees in this garden. There were only 2 houses available ready to sell near here. Interrogative form. Is there a pencil on the desk? Is there only one store in this town? Is there a black cat on the roof of that house? Are there 4 people watching the movie? Are there 6 trees in this garden? Are there only 2 houses available ready to sell near here? Was there a pencil on the desk? Was there only one store in this town? Was there a black cat on the roof of that house? Were there 4 people watching the movie? Were there 6 trees in this garden? Were there only 2 houses available ready to sell near here? Negative form. There is not a pencil on the desk. There is not only one store in this town. There is not a black cat on the roof of that house. There are not 4 people watching the movie. There are not 6 trees in this garden. There are not only 2 houses available ready to sell near here. There was a pencil on the desk. There wasn't only one store in this town. There wasn't a black cat on the roof of that house. There weren't 4 people watching the movie. There weren't 6 trees in this garden. There weren't only 2 houses available ready to sell. And then we have negative questions. Isn't there a pencil on the desk? Isn't there only one store in this town? Isn't there a black cat on the roof of that house? Aren't there 4 people watching the movie? Aren't there 6 trees in this garden? Aren't there 2 only houses available ready to sell near here? Wasn't there a pencil on the desk? Wasn't there only one store in this town? Wasn't there a black cat on the roof of that house? Weren't there 4 people watching the movie? Weren't there 6 trees in this garden? Weren't there only 2 houses available ready to sell?